Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, my gorgeous nail lovers. Welcome back to my channel, Nail Vibes, the channel that gives you nothing but the very best in trendy and latest nail fashion designs. So, in case you are seeing this channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe, and as you do that, do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first person to be notified. Okay, so ladies, watching this video which I have for you today, you will see that these nails are looking so gorgeous and fabulous. These are the latest and most trendy short acrylic nail art designs. So in order for you to get the best out of this video, I urge you to watch from the beginning to the end. And at the end of the video, you can go down to my comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my video or my channel in general. And if there's any kind of video you'd like to see me make in my next upload, you can put it down there in my comment section and I promise to make it for you. I also say a big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching and engaging in my videos. Trust me guys, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. You are so much appreciated. So ladies, as you watch, kindly do support my channel by liking this video, okay? Like the video and feel free to share it to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. Thank you guys so much. And in case this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. Thank you, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.